English Vocabulary, Section 3. Subscribe our channel Dawn Vocabulary with Urdu meaning for more upcoming new videos. Like, subscribe, share and comments. One, stalwart, noun, reliable, loyal and hardworking member. 2. Materialize, verb, happen, take place, occur. 3. Graciously, adverb, nice and kind way. 4. Albeit, conjunction, though, even though. 5. Persuasion, noun, convincing, smooth talking. 6. Exigency, noun, need, essential, demand. 7. Relinquish, verb, give up, renounce, leave. 8. Quintessential, adjective, typical, perfect, ideal, best. 9. Geniality, noun, friendliness, approachability, hospitality. 10. Dissent, noun, disagreement, opposition, dispute. 11. Spat, noun, argument or quarrel for nothing. 12. Ineptness, noun, clumsiness, awkwardness. 13. Acumen, noun, cleverness, astuteness, shrewdness. 14. Hard-nosed, adjective, tough-minded, realistic, practical. 15. Averse, adjective, against, opposed. 16. Harmoniously, adverb, without dissent/opposition/disagreement. Subscribe our channel Dawn Vocabulary with Urdu meaning for more upcoming new videos. Like, subscribe, share and comments.